everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for goat burgers. And if you didn't want to use goat meat to make this, of course you can use any other type of meat, especially lamb would work great. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. So to start this recipe, here I have my minced goat meat, which I got from Premium Quality Meats here in Miramar, Florida. I'm adding salt and black pepper. In goes fennel powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. I'm adding in some annatto, also known as roucou in Trinidad. In goes 1 teaspoon of complete seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and if you wanted a smokier taste you can use smoked paprika. In goes 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. Next goes in a few dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters, 2 tablespoons of grated or minced garlic, a 1/4 cup of grated onion, and you're going to mix that in. Now I forgot to add my chopped parsley, so you'll notice I'm going to add that in now. I'm using parsley. If you wanted to use celery you can use that also. Just give that a good mix, and once it's mixed in properly you can allow it to marinate a little, and then you'll go ahead, and I'm using a big cookie scoop just to get even amounts. And once you have that, you're going to make it into a bowl, roll it into a bowl, and then press it out, and that way you have some nice round even balls. And when you're doing this you want to press the center of the burger a little thinner as it plumps up when it's cooking. So these go on my grill. I'm using my charcoal grill, but if you wanted to use a flat top or a frying pan or a flat griddle, feel free to use whatever is convenient for you. I like the char that the coals gives the burgers. So once they start to get color, you want to flip them. Make sure you don't overcook them. These are going to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes depending on the doneness you like. I prefer them well done, so you feel free to cook them as long or as short of a time you would like. Now you'll notice how they shrunk. So what I would suggest is when you're making these, try and make them bigger if you're using a bigger bun. If you're making them slider size, that size that I made would be perfect. Now to finish this, I'm going to be frying up some quail eggs, and I'll just add a little bit of salt. You can also add some pepper or some chili powder to your eggs. Feel free to season your eggs with whatever you like, and you can cook the eggs according to your preference. I prefer my eggs well done also. And once it's nice and cooked, I'm going to go ahead and remove it from my frying pan, and I'm going to top my burger with it. And that's it. We're going to add our goat burger, and then to that I'll add the fried egg. Now you can use regular eggs if you wanted to for this, and I'm just going to drizzle with some Sriracha sauce, and that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me for this recipe today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe everyone.